Assalamu alaikum wonderful people, I am Dr. Asma Mahmood and as promised I am here with the recipe of anti-hair fall bombs or laddus. Just a few days back I taught how to make chemical free shampoo, hair oil as well as conditioner, and people have made it and used it, and if your hair fall has not stopped even after using chemical free shampoo, hair oil and conditioner, then you have some nutritional deficiency, and this nutritional deficiency can be easily corrected with these laddus. These anti-hair fall bombs are basically made with two main ingredients. One of them is cress and the other is molasses. Cress are basically seeds. These are also called habur rashad or halum or leaf seeds, and these need to be soaked. These tiny brown seeds are basically powerhouse of nutrition. They have a lot of vitamin K2, which is very beneficial for bones, plus they have a lot of iron, and to use them you have to soak them overnight. I am using 1 cup of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera in itself has a lot of benefits, and another cup of wheat kvass. You can use plain water to soak, but obviously the health benefits won't be as much. Once you have soaked the seeds overnight or maybe for 5 to 6 hours, take a pan. In it add 2 tablespoons of grass fed ghee or butter. If you take ghee, that would be fine. And in this add the soaked cress seeds. Cress basically is a superfood, and this is not a new discovery. It has been in prophetic medicine or Tibbe Nabi since long. I have done a live video on how to grow sprouts from the cress seeds. You can view it. Cress seeds are basically rich in flavonoids, antioxidants and polyphenols, and this has been scientifically proven. All the research links can be viewed in the description box below. Plus, the cress seeds are super rich in vitamin K2, which is very important for bone health. And if you have some chronic disease like multiple sclerosis, Hashimoto's thyroiditis or ulcerative colitis or any autoimmune disease or any other chronic disease that is going on for a long time, you need antioxidants, flavonoids and phenols, which are all found in these cress seeds. Once the cress seeds are fried and they smell beautiful, now is the time to add the second star ingredient, molasses. You can use store-bought molasses or you can make it at home. It is really easy. Just a few days back I shared how to make molasses at home. Basically the sweetener that is the highest in antioxidants, that is date sugar, okay, and the number 2 sweetener that is rich in antioxidants, that is molasses, and it is really easy to make. If you don't want to make molasses or you don't have molasses, you can add jaggery, but I would say make molasses. It is really easy. Plus, molasses is a source of iron, it is a source of manganese, it is really very nutritious. Next, we will keep on cooking and we will add about a cup of shredded coconut, okay, and along with that I added a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Now cook this mixture until it comes together, and you can make either balls to make laddu out of it, or you can make squares to make a burfi out of it. Anyway folks, this is the most delicious way of eating cress seeds. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon right with it if you want more such recipes, which are not only delicious and tasty, they are also super healthy. You can use your food as your medicine. The things that you eat can help heal your diseases. So if you have hair fall due to iron deficiency anemia, both the cress seeds as well as the molasses are rich source of iron. And if you have hair fall because of PCOS or hormonal issues, these seeds have the potential of treating all the hormonal issues also. And if your hair fall is because you have ill health since long, you have a chronic disease, God forbid, this will help because these seeds are rich in antioxidants, flavonoids and phenols. And if your hair fall is because of some nutritional deficiency, these laddus are a rich source of all required minerals like zinc, iron, manganese. All of them are present in huge quantities in the cress seeds as well as the molasses. The only thing that you have to do is eat this delicious laddu once daily. With this amount of ingredients, it makes about 30 laddus, and you have to take one daily, and it keeps well for 30 days in the fridge. And believe me, once you take these laddus, all your hair problems will go away. The hair fall will stop immediately, like within a week. Even the graying hair will reverse. Trust me, I have used them. In the comment section below, let me know if you made these laddus and how much they worked for your hair fall. Till we meet next time, take care. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.